what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb.
This part of the video has kindly been sponsored by Designer Fragrances. Designer Fragrances are a company that sell blast can air fresheners, car air fresheners. They do little car interior sprays in little bottles. But my favourite products from Designer Fragrances are their blast cans. Now, these are all purchased. None of them have been gifted apart from the one, which is this one, and it's their new one. It's Paris. Smells absolutely gorgeous. My favourite Designer Fragrances air freshener in the blast cans are the Flare, which is absolutely beautiful. When I spray this and people come into my home, the first thing they say is, what air freshener have you used? And it's this. It's the Flare. It's my number one. This is the one that I reach for the most, and it's the Flare. Smells very feminine. It's just a lovely, fresh, clean smell. They do fresh linen, which again is a beautiful smelling fragrance, and they do Ventus, which smells very like Creed Ventus. They are an amazing air freshener. I'll spray my house one little spray because they are quite powerful. I'll demonstrate. That is all you need to make this whole downstairs of my house. I can smell it already, but that's all you need, just that one spray. And I'll usually do a very light spray. I won't spray as much as I did then. I'll usually just do a spray like that, and that's plenty in each room, and my house smells amazing for hours. I spray the black hose in the bathroom and the bedrooms upstairs. Smells unbelievable. The fragrance lasts for hours. I highly recommend Designer Fragrances. I've used them since the company first launched, which was probably around a year ago now, and I purchase from them regularly. I've just put an order in. It's in the haul of their cherry ones also, because that's my sister's favourite fragrance, so I've bought her some for Christmas. But I do purchase these from Designer Fragrances. Like I say, the Paris was gifted. It came to me through PR. I'm eternally grateful to Designer Fragrances for sponsoring today's video. I will link the Designer Fragrances website in the description box down below for anybody who wants to go and check them out. Their air fresheners are around, some are £4.99 and some are £5.99, and this tin can last me anything from a month to a month and a half, sometimes a little bit longer. And yeah, I'll leave it all in the description box down below for anybody who wants to go and check them out. But I highly recommend Flare. It's a very feminine, sweet, smells a little bit like Parma violets. It's just an absolutely gorgeous air freshener. So for your first air freshener, I would definitely recommend Flare or Fresh Linen. They are so nice.
I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice.
I picked these up from Aldi for £2.99 each. They're just a microfiber cloth, but perfect for cleaning the shutters.
What it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky, and the heart on the motor. It's so much better
You might remember as well, a few months ago I was telling you how hard this mirror is to clean because it cuts me fingers. I'm going to try and clean the mirror with these gloves. It's actually worked really well because they're not like thin and flimsy. They're actually really thick. So that was easy.
I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart on the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're living on the road. I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me
So my cleaning video is currently on hold. I've took the wash out of the washing machine, which is now finished, but I'm just going to show you what we're up against. I had my new tap that I wanted fitted into the sink, and the whole sink's had to come out. My old tap with the little flexible neck, which I absolutely love. I wanted to upgrade for a proper flexible neck tap. So it's come, Lee's tried to fit it this morning. The whole sink has had to come out. The board that goes underneath the sink has snapped. And this is currently the situation. As you can see down here, well, if I go here, as you can see, my shelf that usually runs across is now on the floor snapped. And I've had to delay my cleaning video because what was supposed to be a very straightforward job has turned into an absolute nightmare. So that's the house nice and tidy apart from the kitchen. As you've seen, things are a little bit chaotic in my kitchen. Let me switch the Christmas music off. So this is the current state of the kitchen. Lee's gone to B&Q. The new tap has been fitted, but I really don't like it. He's now had to go to B&Q to replace the shelf that goes underneath our sink because it's snapped. So where the shelf used to run underneath and I would store all the cleaning products in the baskets, it snapped clean down the centre there and there when he was getting it out. So he's gone to B&Q to buy another one so that we can put it back, because he was saying we should put the bin here and store all the dishwasher tablets and dish brushes here because the dishwasher's there, and put the shelf back in this cupboard, which we've got, that's there. Put the shelf back in there and have that, this is our old bin cupboard, and have that as the cleaning products cupboard. But I don't want to do it. I think our rubbish and recycling should have a bin all on its own, just like this one. I stored the recycling, the sun creams, vases and rubbish in this cupboard, and this is where I keep all the cleaning products. So he's now had to go back to B&Q to buy a new shelf. We had to take the sink out and re-silicone it back in, as you've seen. So tomorrow, and fingers crossed tomorrow, he's going to take the sink back out again and replace the taps. What a rigmarole. There really isn't much that I can do in the way of cleaning out here, apart from getting all of the cleaning products into their baskets, having a little sort out and having a designated area for the cleaning products. There's no point in me putting it all back because the sink's got to come back out tomorrow to have the old tap put back in. So it's just a lot of messing, but it is what it is. I can't change anything. I don't like the tap, so it can't stay. So I'm gonna pack everything all tidy, get it all organised, ready for tomorrow.
What you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, inside my ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for all you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
All night, night, baby, all night. All night, night, baby, all night. All night, night, baby, all night. All night, night, baby, all night.
I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. All night.
And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my cleaning video, even though it's been a little bit up the wall. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get the shelf fitted back under the sink and my tap fitted back. Peg, what are you making them noises for? Only because I'm talking. But thank you so much to Designer Fragrances for sponsoring today's video, and thank you everyone for watching and for supporting my channel as well. And I hope that you all have a fabulous day, whatever you are doing, and I will see you all in my next video. Say bye, Peg. Say bye, Peg. Say bye, Peg. That's her way of saying bye. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my